The hardest part about making plans isn't the grammar, it's the back and forth, trying to figure out what the other person actually wants to do without sounding too pushy.
Yeah, I always just say I'm fine with whatever, even when I really don't want to go. Start speaking with me now. I look at my phone.
I look at my phone.
It is already Thursday afternoon.
It is already Thursday afternoon.
Just follow the rhythm. I don't have any plans for the weekend.
I don't have any plans for the weekend.
I should probably text someone.
I should probably text someone.
Otherwise, I will just stay home.
Otherwise, I will just stay home.
Something is shifting. Let the sentence expand. I open my messages.
I open my messages.
I find my friend's name.
I find my friend's name.
I start typing.
I start typing.
Hey, are you free this weekend?
Hey, are you free this weekend?
What are your plans?
What are your plans?
You're getting faster. Don't stop. I hit send.
I hit send.
Now I have to wait.
Now I have to wait.
3 dots appear on the screen.
3 dots appear on the screen.
They are typing a reply.
They are typing a reply.
That sounded smoother. Now we read the response. Hey, I am going to the gym in the morning.
Hey, I am going to the gym in the morning.
But I am completely free in the afternoon.
But I am completely free in the afternoon.
Why? What are you thinking?
Why? What are you thinking?
Did you notice that? The conversation is flowing. Keep it up. I need to suggest something.
I need to suggest something.
We could go to the movies.
We could go to the movies.
Or we can just grab lunch somewhere.
Or we can just grab lunch somewhere.
Stay here. This matters. Give them options. Do you want to get lunch on Saturday?
Do you want to get lunch on Saturday?
I was thinking about that new Italian place.
I was thinking about that new Italian place.
Unless you're craving something else.
Unless you're craving something else.
Most people drop here. Push through the pressure. The reply comes back quickly.
The reply comes back quickly.
Italian sounds amazing.
Italian sounds amazing.
What time should we meet?
What time should we meet?
That was clean. You took control of the time. Let's meet at 1 o'clock.
Let's meet at 1 o'clock.
Does that work for you?
Does that work for you?
Actually, can we make it 1:30? I might be running a little late.
Actually, can we make it 1:30? I might be running a little late.
Now it starts to feel real. Finalize the plan. Yeah, 1:30 is perfect.
Yeah, 1:30 is perfect.
I will see you there.
I will see you there.
I'll send you the address later.
I'll send you the address later.
You didn't stop this time. Perfect. Now it is Saturday.
Now it is Saturday.
I am getting ready to leave.
I am getting ready to leave.
I grab my keys and my wallet.
I grab my keys and my wallet.
My phone rings.
My phone rings.
It is my friend calling.
It is my friend calling.
Switch it. Something changes. React to it. Hey, are you on your way?
Hey, are you on your way?
I'm so sorry.
I'm so sorry.
My car won't start.
My car won't start.
I'm going to have to take the bus.
I'm going to have to take the bus.
This is where it changes. Don't panic. Adapt. Oh no, that's terrible.
Oh no, that's terrible.
Do you want me to come pick you up?
Do you want me to come pick you up?
Are you sure? It's totally out of your way.
Are you sure? It's totally out of your way.
It's no problem at all. I'll leave right now.
It's no problem at all. I'll leave right now.
Few people reach this point without freezing. You handled it naturally. I should be at your house in 20 minutes.
I should be at your house in 20 minutes.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver.
Thank you so much. You're a lifesaver.
I'll be waiting outside.
I'll be waiting outside.
I hang up the phone.
I hang up the phone.
Plans change, but that's okay.
Plans change, but that's okay.
Wait, feel that? We're moving to the end. I get into my car.
I get into my car.
I start driving towards their house.
I start driving towards their house.
I'm looking forward to catching up.
I'm looking forward to catching up.
We're going to have a great time.
We're going to have a great time.
Now you're ahead. You're finishing the process. I pull up to the curb.
I pull up to the curb.
My friend opens the door and gets in.
My friend opens the door and gets in.
Thanks again for driving.
Thanks again for driving.
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it.
Almost there. Free flow now. Just speak. Are you starving?
Are you starving?
'Cause I'm really hungry.
'Cause I'm really hungry.
Yes, I haven't eaten all day.
Yes, I haven't eaten all day.
Let's go get that food.
Let's go get that food.
The plan is finally in motion.
The plan is finally in motion.
And everything is going to be fine.
And everything is going to be fine. That felt different, didn't it?
You stayed longer this time.
You've been practicing with us.
This is the English Mint Podcast.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Hannah.
If you felt progress,
There's something waiting below.
not just listening,
Something you can actually use.
take it if you're serious.
Tell us.
Tell us, where did it feel easier?
Or where did you hesitate? We read everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.